The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a tornado warning for western Winona County in southeastern Minnesota, northeastern Wabasha County in southeastern Minnesota, Buffalo County in west-central Wisconsin, southwestern Trempealeau County in west-central Wisconsin, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing a tornado were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Kellogg to 6 miles northwest of Altura to near St. Charles, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The storm complex has had a history of producing multiple tornadoes at once. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Wabasha, Lewiston, Buffalo City, Altura, and Kellogg around 3:10 p.m. Alma, Buffalo, Stockton, and Rawlingstone around 3:15 p.m. Goodview and Fountain City around 3:20 p.m. Winona around 3:25 p.m. Modena around 3:30 p.m. Arcadia around 3:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by these tornadic storms include Pioneer Campground, Merrick State Park, Czechville, Lock and Dam 5A, Dodge, County Road 6 and 33, and Perot State Park. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 236 and 248. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide